I was born with Shakimori tooth, so from the start of my life, we always knew that something was different than my cousins or my friends. It came to a head whenever I was in elementary and I couldn't run, do PE, I couldn't write. Writing was really hard for me to do. It can affect so much or so little depending on the day. I always adapt, so I have things in place, and I have a mobile scooter now, and so I can get to the stores and I can go to work independently, and I have a walker now in the house sometimes that I use. My hands though, they don't always work. I break things more, I can't fix my hair, or I burn my hands, or I drop things breakable, or my keys. So getting out the door is just so difficult on those days. Just a regular day can turn into a bad day. My favorite thing to do that is kind of difficult and gets more difficult every year is cooking with my mom and my grandma and my sisters. I do sit up there, I do taste test things. I do get to be the aunt to go distract the kids with something fun while the parents are in the kitchen cleaning. So I make do with the abilities that I have. A cure for CMT could really mean a lot in a lot of different ways to different people. Independence, being able to do chores, to live a fulfilled life without all of these hurdles, that would be, I can't even dream of a life like that for myself. But for the generations after me, that would definitely be my hope and prayer. Please consider donating to the CMT Research Foundation on my behalf this season. Your donation will be doubled so I can receive the greatest gift of all, a cure for CMT, and the time to hold on to what really matters.